today we're doing something a little bit different. We're doing something a little bit special. I'm not sure everybody is aware of this, or our listeners, but anybody who's followed us for a while will know that every year we do awards for the best Forex brokers of the year. This is our big reveal, the big countdown for the winners of this year's awards.
Yeah, and these awards are based on our in-depth reviews. If you've looked at our website, they're based on platform testing, of course, and then years of experience with dealing with these brokers and how they actually perform for real traders. So it's not just what they show on their websites or how they try to market themselves. It's our in-depth experience of these brokers that lead us to the winners of these awards.
Yeah, and as always, it's important to note here at the top that nothing here is sponsored, and also that none of this is financial advice. And as I'm sure you all know, that CFDs and Forex assets are complex instruments and come with a very high risk of losing money rapidly due to leverage. Always make sure you understand how they work and whether you can afford to take that risk before you start trading.
With that said, let's jump into it. This is the fun part. So here are this year's winners and, of course, why they stood out. Best broker for beginners goes to Proprietary.
Proprietary, that's right. Yeah, one of our favorite brokers, one of our long-time favorite brokers, Alison.
So when we look at our brokers for beginners, we look at three things. We want clear education. We obviously want beginner-friendly trading platforms, and we want a safe environment. And Arbitrade really nails all three of those things. They have a dedicated trading section for beginners, and this basically walks traders through how to trade Forex and CFDs, how markets work, and also basic analysis in a way that really makes it simple and easy to understand rather than throwing jargon at you.
Yeah, exactly. And on top of that, Arbitrade, they've also got an excellent demo account that we've used many times. A really clean interface. I mean, their own trading app is really excellent, very useful for beginners. As you said, you pointed out the range of platforms that they have, but also, they've also got a quite unique tool in Arva Protect, which protects losses on your account, which is great for beginners when they're just starting off. They've also got a whole bunch of webinars that they run frequently, and as you say, an excellent trading system. One thing I would like to point out here, again, is the mobile app, is really quite useful for beginners, especially for first-time traders. It's not overwhelming at all.
Yes, and I really enjoy their trading platform. I must say, for beginners, I find it is a very easy trading platform to get to know and to get used to trading with. And if you're just starting out, Arbitrade really is a broker that'll teach you how things work rather than expecting you to know how to already. So that's why Arbitrade is worthy of the best broker for beginners. Well done, Arbitrade. Next, the best trading tools goes to FP Markets.
Yes, absolutely. So trading tools are what help traders find opportunities, helps them manage risk, helps them streamline analysis. They're often overlooked part of the broker's ecosystem. And it's really important. And FP Markets has spent a lot of time and energy and have built a genuinely impressive toolbox around these core platforms they use. One of the headline features is something that I use very often is something called AutoChartist, which is an advanced technical analysis tool integrated as a plugin into MT4, MT5, and CTrader. It scans the market in real time, identifies chart patterns and key levels, and sends live alerts to traders. So you don't have to manually hunt through the charts all day.
Yeah, and on top of that, FP Markets gives access to Trading Central. This is also a premium analytics suite, and it also provides technical views, sentiment tools, and an economic calendar and daily research across multiple asset classes. So it's really designed to help traders find and validate their trading ideas and time their entries and exits even, and then manage their risk more effectively.
Yeah, absolutely. And then you also have copy trading and automation. It's another important part of the trader's toolbox, especially for a lot of beginners who are just starting out in this day and age. They've got a signal start, and then they've got integration with MyFxBook Auto Trade. And then they have all kinds of other stuff going on. They've got trading calculators, signals. They've got Traders Hub, which is regular technical and fundamental analysis. They've obviously got integration with TradingView, which I know a lot of new traders, a lot of experienced traders are using as well. So yeah, really, really packed full of every kind of trading tool really that a trader would need.
Yeah, and put all that together, this broker doesn't just give you a platform, but an entire ecosystem of tools, as you said, Chris. And that's why FP Markets takes our award for the best trading tools.
And next, we're going to be moving on to innovation. Best broker for innovation this year goes to Vantage.
Innovation in retail trading is now about how brokers use technology to make trading smarter and more accessible, of course. And Vantage has really been pushing hard on that front. We did a video earlier this year, and we showed how pro Proprietary, which is powered by TradingView, is something that Vantage offers, and it helps keep everything in one window. And, obviously beyond your familiar charts and trading indicators that are available on TradingView, it also has analyst views, featured ideas, technical insights, market buzz, and of course, an economic calendar, which means that you don't have to hop between tabs. They also offer the FxSocial app, and that allows traders to automatically copy other traders or build a following of traders that copy them. And they get paid, obviously, for sharing those trades. And it's built as a dedicated social trading app with one-click copying and access to hundreds of different markets.
Yeah, and I mean, you mentioned the FxSocial app there, but I mean, the actual Vantage app as well is actually integrated a lot of their social and copy trading into it as well. So you can copy trade in multiple different ways. So yeah, you can have regular trading and then you can switch to social trading all in one app, which I think is a great idea. And I think that's something a lot of traders would really like to use. Again, thousands of CFD instruments, advanced charting, indicators, drawing tools, all of this in a mobile application. So really, really good work on that front as well.
Yeah, on top of that, it also has, multiple copy modes, which is very useful, multi-currency and multi-account support for copy trading. And it has rolled copy trading out to its client portal. And all of this basically gives traders much more control over how they work and copy and diversify and manage their risk.
So taken together, we've got Vantage, we've got the Proprietary platform with the trading integration, as you said, and in a more sensible and more user-friendly way than I think a lot of traders are used to. And then, all these various methods of copy trading and social trading and a really slick mobile app. So, yeah, that's why they're winner for the best innovation in 2025.
Then for our best proprietary trading platform, the winner this year is XTB with its XStation 5 platform.
Yeah, I mean, I think this is something that we've talked about before, Alison. XStation 5, we really like it a lot. We're really big fans of brokers that invest in their own technology rather than relying on third-party platforms. And I know a lot of beginners are as well. They hit NT4, NT5 or CTrade or TradingView and they can feel overwhelmed. And XStation 5 is a great example of what a broker can present for beginner traders in a proprietary platform when it's done really well. It's browser-based. There's no heavy installation. It's got a really clean, easy-to-use modern interface. Hardly any it's lightning fast. The execution, no lag time. And support for a wide range of instruments. All of XTB's instruments are available in it. So, Forex, indices, commodities, shares, ETFs, whatever you want to trade.
Yeah, I mean, when I actually started trading, I started on XTB's trading platform. And I must say, I found it a very good way to learn how to trade and learn how to deal with a trading platform. And I really like its customizable charts, built-in performance statistics. That was also very helpful. It also provides sentiment data. It's got, you've got all calculators and other integrated tools, which make it really very user-friendly. And also, I find it's easy to make decisions using that trading platform. Really enjoyed the XStation 5.
Yeah, no, it's a perfect combination of speed, usability, and genuinely useful built-in features. So congratulations to XTB for best proprietary platform. Now, moving on to best trading conditions. And the award for this year for best trading conditions goes to XNS.
Yeah, so when we talk about trading conditions, we're obviously talking about spreads, commissions, execution quality, and of course, flexibility across account types. Now, XNS is extremely competitive in this area. So they have raw spread accounts, which offer, ultra low spreads with a fixed per lot commission. And they use market execution with no cap on the number of open positions. So they really are uniquely positioned.
Yeah, no, it's important to highlight as well. They've got a really tight pricing structure, even on their standard accounts. Where they're it's the spreads are some of the lowest you're going to find without paying a commission. But they're really transparent as well with their spreads, withdrawal fees, other costs. Overall, traders, they really understand exactly what they're paying when they come into it.
Yeah, so put simply, if you're a cost-conscious trader and you care about razor-sharp pricing and robust execution, then XNS is definitely the deserving winner of our Best Trading Conditions Award. Well done, XNS. Next up, Best Education goes to Tickmill.
Yes. So Tickmill have taken education seriously for a long time and kind of flown under the radar a bit with this as well. But it's something that's been quietly impressing us for the last few years. And we thought this year they'd really be deserving of this award. Their learning ecosystem is huge. They run multilingual webinars in all kinds of time zones all over the world. They cover everything from absolute basics to advanced strategy. They've got a lot of really experienced analysts and traders, and a lot of pretty much all of this stuff is then available on YouTube afterwards. It's incredible.
Yeah, and I mean, their video and, as you say, their library is packed with a lot of structured content. So they've got video content, market analysis, they've got different strategy series, and then they even have podcast style shows like ours, and they're all aimed at various experience levels.
So if you're the kind of trader, which I'm sure you are, who wants to continually, sharpen your skills, learn from professionals, then Ticknell really raises the bar here. I mean, there's a reason why we're giving them an award this year. Congratulations, Ticknell, for Best Education. And now, Best Customer Support. Again, something that's often overlooked, but when you need it, you really need it. And the award this year goes to Pepperstone.
Yeah, I mean, you can have amazing spreads and very fast execution and fantastic trading platforms. But if support disappears when something goes wrong, none of that matters. And Pepperstone has really built a very strong reputation for being accessible and responsive. They offer multi-channel support. So you have access to live chat, telephone, email, and, typically you have coverage 24 hours a day during the week, which really makes a difference.
Yeah, and I think most importantly here, I mean, because a lot of brokers offer, similar experiences with customer support. They'll say have 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. But the real difference with Pepperstone here is we have always been consistently impressed with the speed and the quality of their response. It doesn't really matter whether it's technical problems, account issues, platform help. If the person you're talking to can't help, then they will find someone very quickly who can, and they will solve your problem, which is, that's worth its weight in gold.
Yeah, and that level of service is especially important for active traders who can't afford the long waits when they need assistance. So for consistently, reliable help when it matters, Pepperstone walks away with the Best Customer Support Award. Well done, Pepperstone. And finally, the award I think everybody's been waiting for is the overall Best Broker for 2025 goes to HFM.
Yes, congratulations, HFM. Yeah, to win our Best Overall Broker Award, a broker cannot just be good at one thing, right? And HFM is strong across the board. They've multi-regulated. Their presence is global. They've got excellent trading conditions, wide range of platforms, good account choices for all kinds of traders, whether you're experienced, professional, or just starting out. Tools, great customer support, excellent education, and it's really hard to beat them this year.
Yeah, and I mean, if you look at their accounts as well, they offer the low deposit micro accounts. They also offer zero accounts, and then their specialized copy trading account, plus access to MT4, MT5, and their own HFM app. And then the minimum deposits are very low. They're as low as $5, which makes them accessible to new traders. And then, of course, they also have good trading conditions and tools that support, more advanced strategies.
Yeah, so they're really ticking the boxes for any kind of trader. And so when you combine that regulatory strength, this diverse account offering, these great trading conditions, and a really trader-focused approach here, it's like I said, it's hard to beat them this year, and which is why they're our overall Best Overall Broker for the year of 2025. Congratulations, HFM. You guys deserve it.
Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed the awards for 2025. If you want more information, please go check out our website. You'll find all the awards and the various videos published on our website. The link will be below.
Yeah, and a huge congratulations to all our winners. If you want to see the full breakdown, including how we test brokers and detailed reviews behind these awards, then check the links in the descriptions below.